We're lost in the jungle. This is day 2 of hiking. I'm seriously not meant for this type of things. I'm so out of breath. I have to go up this big hill, but it's a beautiful view up here. I'm not sure if the camera will capture such beauty, but let me show you. Where's the river?
It got stolen.
There's no river. I mean waterfall.
And this is the end. There's nothing.
But look at those mountains. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh my God, look.
A stick to hike with.
Yeah, but it has a baby one. And
How is that possible?
And look, it's that. It's a dry stick.
Get us, you can hike.
This is coffee, homemade coffee by a doctor. Doctor gave us a coffee.
Oh yeah, he did. He really did. We need to drink this fast because it's starting to get warm.
We made it to the top, and it seems like the waterfall dried up because there's nothing.
No, but the waterfall from yesterday was beautiful.
I mean, the view is like beautiful, but there's no waterfall. There is absolutely no waterfall. It broke.
This stick broke? Are you scared?
Shit, look at this.
I'm just gonna look at the floor and just go one by one. We're lost in the jungle. This is like very rainforesty, jungle-y. Very nice. Very beautiful. Here reminds me of the movie The Green Inferno. So if you haven't seen that movie, you should definitely check it out. It's a very good movie. It's about cannibalism. I think we're gonna get eaten by the jungle people. There's nothing around me. I have to cross this fence, this wooden, no, it's not wooden. This metal fence with spikes in there. What is that?
Todos hicimos un paso.
Struggling to come down. We finally made it to the waterfall. Goes all the way down there. Mommy, be careful! Coming down, all of this. He made it. He made it down. I seriously don't know how my mother is able to do all this when she's not even a nature person. She doesn't like hiking or none of this. Look at her, she's being an expert. She's a champ. Be careful. Oh my God, I don't know how she's doing. Who's next for this? Woo! To walk down this little road.
I stepped on something and started.
No,
You heard it?
that's water.
I don't know what making that noise.
Finally left the jungle.